Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you some more of the 10 series manual grinder. To be specific, deburring and edge rounding. I took some stainless steel part, aluminium and two very small stainless steel parts to show a little bit of what the machine can do. So we're gonna deburr with a grinding pad. This is P120, and on the other side we have the disc with a Scotch-Brite and abrasive lamellas. So as you can see, they're working with 130 by 800. On the side we have these bars. They can go up and down. If you have a very big part that you want to manually work on, you can just get them down. Usually when we process small parts, it's safer to have them up so the pieces don't fly off the table. As you can hear, we switch on the machine. Not only the motor starts to rotate, but also the vacuum immediately switches on. It can be turned off as well to save some energy. Well, the surface of the table has quite a good grip, so for the bigger stainless steel pieces, you can just go over them. So after the deburring of the stainless steel, I'm going to switch to the disc, make sure it's locked, and off we go again. And the smaller pieces, round it off, and the aluminium part. As we can see, the aluminium is a very nicely rounded off edge. The longer you grind, the rounder it gets. After this, of course, you can still grind it, polish it, finish it, whichever way you want.